Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my unboxing of the new Lenovo Tab 37, which is new for me. It released last year and my iPad has got pretty old. I think it would be able to replace this. So it is currently not opened yet. It was there in a bigger package than it. So was in this, and then it came the bubble paper. I just love to brush the bubble paper. It's so satisfying. So here is the new tab. Let's open it up. So yeah, okay. So this is what. Wait a second, guys. So this is what is there for it. I open this up from the back. So it is actually costing 9,000 rupees, and it is tablet computer system. It is 3.7 essential and is Android 5.1. Storage is 8 GB and the memory is DDR3 RAM with 1 GB of memory. Let's open it up. Okay. So you have to get through that. And then there's a seal of Lenovo which I have to cut through. Actually, I have subscribed for a new online study. That's why they gave me this. So I'm just trying. Okay. So here are the subjects. So here is the things which I have to keep in my head. And then again there are some sample papers which are coming out. And now the time for the unboxing, main unboxing, and it appears to be here. Okay, come out. So there's nothing else in the box. It's all empty. So here's the tablet. Open it up. Let's for a minute keep it aside. We would open it up together. So there's a power brick. Actually, this is pretty identical to my iPad's power brick. Oh no, this one is pretty thin and that one is not thin. So yeah, the power bricks out there. What's under this? There are the certificates, startup guide, the manual, the warranties, and nothing. And we have got the power cable. So no headphones or nothing. Does it have a headphone jack? Nope. Yeah, it does have a headphone jack. So here is what is this. Okay, so let's open up the tab, boot it up for the first time. Pretty sleeky, huh? There's already a sticker on this. Wow. So is this something which I have to give it, like take out of here, like those in the iPhones, satisfying things? Nothing? Okay, no props. So let's boot it up. What's this? It's not opening right now. It said it's Lenovo, related to something like that only. Okay, so this is the SIM card area, and it looks like we have already provided me one. Let's check it out. Wait a second, guys. I have to keep this phone like this, and let's check this thing out. Okay, whatsoever, I'm not checking it out. So it's not the main booting time. Where do we boot it from? Okay, this area is loading. Lenovo, powered by Android. It's loading up. It's pretty heavy. It's pretty heavy, heavier than my iPad. Still, it has got a plastic body on it. Taking a bit time to boot up. that's pretty low, so we gotta unlock it like this. Cool. This thing is pretty great. We got Play Store and everything connected to it. Sound recorders. Is PUBG supported? Lock screen, nope. SIM is empty whatsoever. So I will be connecting it to my Wi-Fi. Guys, thanks for looking at the unboxing. I would be doing its review and then a comparison with my iPad soon. So guys, tune up.